Hey everybody, welcome. John Sump here again with the Home Brokerage, bringing you another great home to market. We're honored to be bringing you 637 Germaine Drive here in Galt. This is a fantastic 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home. Just well taken care of, shows huge pride of ownership. Take a look inside. Give me a call if you'd like to see inside yourself. Hey, I really hope you enjoyed the tour of this home. If you'd like to have your own personal walkthrough of the home, please call me, text me, message me, whatever you'd like to do. But don't wait too long because this will go. Thanks, and make it a great day.